the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
And welcome to another episode of Big Country Tactical TV.
Today is January 6th, 2018. Happy New Year, you guys. So we're going to go out and fish today.
We're going to be heading to the St. Johns River, and we're going to fish, me and Scott, against my boy Rob and his partner out on the river. He's going to bring his boat out, so we're going to be in our boat, and we're going to do a little fishing tournament for bragging rights. So hopefully it goes good. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now. We're going to try and get out by 8 o'clock. So we'll see you then. It's 11 o'clock. It's cold out here. It's probably warmed up to about 36 or so. But we're just not having any luck. We're about to go check out. We've been fishing deep. We're about to go try and fish shallow and see if we can get any better, have any better luck fishing shallow. We're seeing fish out here on the fish finder, but we just can't get them to bite anything. So we'll see if we can switch it up and see what we can do. Alright, we made it back into a little lagoon, got out of the wind. Wind picked up to like 11 miles an hour, so it was pretty rough. Got the old 6-gill Man of War 3000 on the Mayaka rod. So, got a little jig head, throwing a soft craw in a red color. Trying to see if we can pick something up over here. We're gonna go fish shallow. It's cold, but we're gonna try it. We haven't had any luck fishing deep, so we're gonna try to fish shallow and see what we can do. First catch of the day, nice little tree bass here. We will not settle though. Alright, it's been a cold day so far. The wind's picking up to 11 miles an hour. That's pretty rough on my boat coming out of the north. Me and Scotty took some waves, hit some hard waves. He spilled my coffee. And but anyways, we're going in. My buddy called me and said he's at the dock, so he wants us to come pick him up. So we're gonna take him out. We're gonna stay in the creek, I think, so we can stay out of the heavy waves. It's pretty rough out here, so we'll either hit this creek, which is Trout Creek, or we'll go over to 6 Mile Creek, go down 6 Mile, and try and catch some fish. But we haven't had any luck so far. It's just really cold, and I'm just not finding the fish wherever they're at. So, all right, stay tuned. I was trying to figure out what's on the other end of the fishing line.
Joys of fishing, Hunter.
Hooks and string in hand.
Sorry, Scotty. It's gotta be on something.
That's a fishing pole.
Is it?
Yes.
Can you reach
Hold
it?
on. Yeah. See, I told you caught a fishing pole.
That's alright.
Yeah, it's under the belt. The whole pole.
Oh my god.
Someone had a shitty day.
Oh yeah. Is that a fluger reel?
I got me a new fishing pole, buddy! Woo!
That's a pretty nice pole.
Fuck yeah, it is.
Is that a fluger or a pin?
I don't know, my hands are cut. That's funny.
If you can't catch any fish, you might as well catch a pole.
The pin rod.
A pin reel?
It's still. This is the one.
How about that?
I bet you whoever lost it.
Oh, that is too funny. Bring it over here, Michael. Let's see what you got. Let's get a close up of that. Okay.
It was stuck in the mud.
And that is how we do it around here. Well, I think that's about it. I think we're gonna call it a day for fishing since we caught a pole. That's pretty good for the day. So, all right, well, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. We fished against Rob and his partner. They caught one little fish, so that technically they won the tournament. We didn't catch anything but a rod and reel combo.
Nice rod. And reel.
So, anytime you catch a rod and reel, I guess it's not a total loss, huh?
That is true.
Tomorrow, I don't know if we're gonna go crappie fishing or we're gonna go to Bass Pro Shop. We'll figure it out in the morning. So I'll let you know, but we will be doing the drawing for the subscribers for the reel tomorrow. I'll get that posted tomorrow once we get done with our fishing wherever we decide to go. Make sure you like and subscribe to the videos. If you want to see anything, leave a comment below and let me know how I'm doing or anything you'd like to see. I'd love to get some ideas from you guys, and we'll make some more videos and get them up. But I think that's about it. You got anything, Scott?
No, it's just pretty cold outside. And fish weren't moving, they weren't biting anything we're throwing at them, so, you know, it's just one of those days.
Yeah, so in one of those days. So, all right, well, take care, and we out. Peace.